Dear student, today we will learn scope, role and responsibility of community pharmacy. I am Dr. Inayat Bashir Pathan, Assistant Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. So the content of taken up from the various public resources, it is used for the educational purpose only. Now we will see the learning objective of this session. After completion of this topic, the student should be able to define community pharmacy, explain the scope of community pharmacist and explain the role and responsibility of community pharmacist. Now first we will see the introduction. The role of community pharmacist is the healthcare sector has been expected worldwide. According to the E.C. Eliot, the pharmacy profession is a fundamental moral in the nature, and pharmacists are working in a different practice area to ensure the patient care. They are well known for providing a service regarding the drug use and individual service to fulfill the fundamental needs of public, community and society. The pharmacist is known as a drug expert or a custodian because of their specialized knowledge about the drug preparation, storage, handling and dispensing of drug. The community pharmacists remain in a direct access to the community where they are responsible to the multiple tasks such as preparation, processing, extemporaneous compounding, dispensing of prescription, monitoring of drug utilization, patient counseling, patient education. So all this work is done by the community pharmacy. Means in this the community pharmacies are involved, pharmacist which is involved in this all area. Next, the pharmacy has always played a vital role to enhance the patient quality life. Now we will see who are community pharmacists or who can become a community pharmacist. The community pharmacist, oftenly referred to as a retail pharmacy or retail drug outlet, is place where the medicine are stored and dispensed, supplied or sold. The pharmacist working in the community pharmacist setting are either a diploma pharmacist or graduate pharmacist with the pharmacy degree. The pharmacists are registered under the clause 1 and section 2 of Pharmacy Act 1948, and their presence is legally required during the dispensing and selling of medicine according to the rule 6515 of Drug and Cosmetic Rule 1945. The place under the direct supervision of pharmacist where the practice of pharmacy occurs or where the prescription orders are compounded and dispensing to the patient. So now the main requirement to become a pharmacist, you should be a registered pharmacist and must be a diploma in pharmacy or graduate in the pharmacy and should be registered under the clause 1 and section 2 of the Pharmacy Act 1948, and the dispensing of the medicament or the handling of prescription should be done under the supervision of community pharmacist. Now next we will see the scope of community pharmacy. There are the number of scope in this: the handling of prescription, monitoring of drug utilization, extemporaneous preparation, use of traditional and alternative medicine, that is the Ayurvedic medicine, homeopathic medicine. Then next is the responding to the symptoms of minor ailments, informing the healthcare professional and public, health promotion and patient counseling. So these are the different area where this community pharmacy can work. Next is we will see the now role of community pharmacist. The first most important role is the processing of prescription. Now in this case, the community pharmacist verify the legally or safety and appropriateness of prescription order, check the patient medication record before dispensing the prescription. So most important work here pharmacist has to do that is the handling of prescription. So the prescription should be checked very carefully for his safety and appropriateness, whether the prescription is of that patient or any other. He should check the availability of drug or medicine in his pharmacy and should check all the requirement regarding the prescription. Next is the role of community pharmacist in ensuring the better health care. The need of the hour is to make the community pharmacist a key toward the better health care. The community pharmacist take a part in a health promotion campaign locally and nationally on the wide range of drug related and health related topic. The community pharmacist involvement play an important role in the various area of healthcare. Next, in this case, the community pharmacy should take take the part in the various campaign and as well as in the awareness program where the related to the health and health related problems should be solved. Next is the role of community pharmacy in nutrition counseling. The community pharmacist can make a significant contribution in ensuring the adequate nutrition by advising his patient about the basic food need, keeping to the correct improper food habits in children, advising on a special requirement, suggesting a special diet instruction for a diabetic patient and the people with the food allergy, and participating in the school lunch program and scheme like midday meals, that is in the rural area. So these are the different the way the pharmacist can be involved in the various program, that is the nutrition counseling. Next is the role of community pharmacy in the rational use of drug. So this is the most important the role of community pharmacy is this: the community pharmacist can also advise on the administration and storage of medicament, and whenever necessary he can counsel the patient. The drug information system should be set up and the assist to adverse drug reaction system should be made available to the patient. Next role of community pharmacies is in the alcohol or drug abuse and smoking cessation. The pharmacists play a key role to help the individual who become a dependent upon the alcohol. Drug abuse is similar to the alcoholism. So in this case he should make the awareness regarding the about the alcohol, not to be used all these habitual things that may lead a problem on the health. Then annual mortality from the tobacco use exists that from all other causes combined. So what are the effect of this tobacco or the alcohol should be explained to the patient. Next is the role of community pharmacy in the family planning. So this is the most important the way in which the one of the greatest need of the hour is to control the tremendous increasing the population in country. The community pharmacy is the one who can control this rising of population by counseling with the people and doing the awareness program. So in this case the pharmacist can be involved in by organizing the various program related to the family planning. Next, that is the responding to the symptoms of minor ailments. So this is also an important role of community pharmacist, that receive the request from the member of the public for advice on the variety of symptoms, and when indicate refer the inquiries to the medical practitioners. Alternatively, the pharmacist may give an advice to the patient without supplying the medicine. So again here the minor ailments, for example the drug which are used in the over the counter drug can be given directly by the pharmacist to the patient to solve the minor ailments. Next is the monitoring of drug utilization. Pharmacist can provide an arrangement for monitoring the utilization of drugs, such as the practice research projects and the scheme to analyze the prescription for monitoring the adverse drug reaction. Next is the extemporaneous preparation. The pharmacists engage in a small scale preparations of the medicine, which must according with the good manufacturing and distribution of the practice guideline. So here again the pharmacist can involve in the preparation of the small scale preparations related to the extemporaneous preparations, which is in the case of emergency preparations maybe in the hospital. Next is the health promotion. The pharmacists work in the health promotion campaign, health related topic and particularly in the drug related topic. The rational use of drug, alcohol abuse, tobacco use, discouragement of drug using during the pregnancy, organic solvent abuse or poison prevention, or the topic concerned with other health problems, such as that is the minor elements related, or that may be some related to diarrhea, disease, tuberculosis, leprosis or HIV infection or the AIDS. and also in the case of family planning. So here the pharmacist can be involved in the campaign and the awareness program, where he can give the information to the public, patient, related to this awareness program, such as the tobacco use, what will be the effect of tobacco if it taken, that may affect the health. Then next is the poison prevention, so what precaution should be taken after the poisoning. So related to the minor elements, then family planning. Next is the so these are the different scope, the role and responsibility of community pharmacies in the society. Next is, this is the references, and now the questions the student can solve, that is the define community pharmacy and explain in detail the scope and role of community pharmacy.